So, ma'am, not tomorrow, but next Thursday, which is going to, for some reason, already be March 5, I'm going to need...
Michigan courtroom action kicks off as Zachary Slade Veers stands arraigned, attorneys ready, and the judge moving fast. But this docket won't stay routine for long. Pleas, adjournments, and serious felony charges are about to unfold. Subscribe for more dramatic breakdowns of real courtroom moments and legal twists you cannot miss.
All right. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan. Mr. Fleming, I'm assuming you have Mr. Veers?
I do, Judge.
All right. Versus Zachary Slade Veers, file number 26-22559. I have Christopher Fleming appearing on behalf of Mr. Veers, and I have, there he is, Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is a date time set for an arraignment in this matter. Mr. Fleming, do you waive the reading of the felony information?
Would waive reading, stand mute, ask for a pretrial on how about the 11th of March there, Judge, just 2 weeks.
I'm already full that day. My next available is April 8th. I'm sorry. The only thing I would say is if this gets resolved and your client decides to avail himself of some plea, you call Becky, we'll fit you in any day of the week.
Yeah, well, we'll put it on for that day right now, the 8th, and then knowing that we could get in much, much sooner.
Yeah, all you got to do is call. So that'd be April 8th at 8:30 in the morning. Because it's an arraignment, my staff will do the notice of hearing. I'll enter a plea of not guilty. You receive the request for discovery, prosecutors, witness list, and felony information as well, correct?
We have, Judge. Thank you.
All right, excellent. Thank you so much.
Have a good day, Judge.
You too. All right. Mr. Malaro, I will call for Mr. Clare. Good morning. This is Judge Anslone. I am ready for Frederick Clare.
Wait, say that again?
Frederick Clare.
Okay.
And that's it for now.
Just Clare for also?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Becky, any response from the jail?
Judge, I sent over the order of prints. They said that's fine to send him over.
Sweet. All right. So, you want to give him directions on where to go?
You know, the guard they release you at, it's jail.
Yeah.
Just go to that door.
Okay.
Oh, that's hard. Okay. All right. And then when you're done, come back.
Right.
My computer's doing something. Why is it doing that? Okay. All right, Mr. Mo, is that all you had this, let me see, Mr. Mawad, you have Monica Bryan, and she is here.
Geez, Judge, good to see you again.
I know, it's been so long, like yesterday.
Yeah,
all right,
there's Mr. Moore.
Yep, so Miss Bryan, let me get your file. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Monica Lynn Bryan, file number 25-22495FH. This is the date and time set for a pretrial. I have Elias Mawad appearing on behalf of Miss Bryan, who is Zooming separately, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. So, Mr. Mawad, how would you like to proceed today?
Your Honor, my client is going to avail herself of a plea offer. The plea offer would be dismissing count 1, but my client would be pleading guilty to count 2.
Looking through the agreement, there's no sentencing agreement or anything else, just the plea, correct?
Yeah, that's correct, Judge.
All right. So, is that a correct recitation of the plea, Mr. Sneed?
I would just add our plea form says there is an agreement of no upfront jail.
Sorry, Judge.
Oh, there it is.
Isaac, thank you very much. I did not have that in front of me because the long story short, our computer guy died and we don't have a lot of his passcodes and passwords and we're trying to reconstruct. So my
Oh my
apologies.
God, Mr. Mawad, I'm so sorry.
Well, he's a personal friend of ours. You know, we didn't hear from him for 2.5 weeks. So we did we asked the police to go do a visit. They found him dead in his kitchen. So really sad.
Oh my God. Well, my sympathies. So on that somber note, Ms. Bryan, raise your right hand for me, please. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Can you state your full name for the record, please?
Monica Lynn Bryan.
All right, so Ms. Bryan, you have heard the statement of your attorney and the prosecuting attorney. The plea offer today is to plead to count 2 attempted police officer, first responder, assaulting, resisting, and obstructing, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 1 year in jail. The felony count 1 is going to be dismissed and there would be no upfront jail. Is it your intention today to plead guilty to that count?
Yes.
All right, are you satisfied with Mr. Mawad as your attorney and the advice that he has given you?
Yes, I am.
Other than the no upfront jail, neither the prosecutor, the defendant, nor anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed a possible sentence with the court. Is that correct, Mr. Mawad?
That is correct, Judge.
And Mr. Sneed?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Ms. Bryan, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Okay, if a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have the prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty, and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial, not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Do you understand that if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable if you were convicted at trial? Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'm gonna pause real quick. Mr. Malaro, do you need a breakout room with your client?
Yeah, can't hurt, Judge.
You do?
Sure.
Okay,
Can you hear me?
I didn't hear yours.
Can you hear me now,
Yeah,
Judge?
I can. Yeah, I can hear you. I just didn't hear what you said. Okay.
Yes,
So I'm gonna
I would
open a
like a breakout with Mr. Clary, Judge.
Okay. All right. So let me open that up. All right. So do you understand, Ms. Bryan, that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and not by right? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand if the plea is accepted and you engage in any misconduct as defined in MCR 6.310 between now and sentencing, the court will not be bound by any sentencing agreement or evaluation, and you will not have a right to withdraw your plea. Misconduct is defined to include, but is not limited to, absconding or failing to appear for sentencing, violating terms of conditions on bond. Did you get an invitation to join the jail? For the jail to join the breakout room?
How do you make this work?
Okay, that's not working. Hold on. Mr. Claire, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Mr. Claire, I'm gonna open up a breakout room. This is file number 26-22562FH. Something's gonna pop up on your screen to join that breakout room. You got a mouse in you got a mouse?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you're gonna use that and use your pointy finger on the button right where it is and click join. So go ahead. There it goes. Okay. So sorry, Miss Bryan. All right, so let me back up. Do you understand if the plea is accepted and you engage in any misconduct as defined in MCR 6.310 between now and sentencing, the court will not be bound by any sentencing agreement or evaluation. You will not have a right to withdraw your plea. Misconduct is defined to include, but is not limited to, absconding or failing to appear for sentencing, violating terms of conditions on bond, or the terms of any sentencing or plea agreement, or otherwise failing to comply with an order of the court pending sentence. If you are not a citizen of the United States of America, a conviction of a crime may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, or denial of naturalization. Do you have any questions about the rights that I've given to you, ma'am?
No, I do not.
All right, Mr. Mawad, did you do an advice of rights with her, or can you?
Judge, I did, but I got to be honest with you. We lost so much stuff on the computer. What I can tell the court is I will get an advice of rights signed by my client and emailed to you within an hour, if that's okay with the court.
And or anytime, it doesn't have to be within an hour. So,
Okay.
but as long as we get that before sentencing, thank you. All
Okay,
right.
not a problem.
So, okay. So, ma'am, how do you wish to plead to the charge that on or about October 30th of 2025 in Rowland Township in the county of Lenawee, that you did commit the offense listed under count 2, attempted police officer, first responder, assaulting, resisting, and obstructing? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. Has anyone made any threats or promises to you to induce you to plead guilty to this charge?
No.
Do you understand if I accept this plea, you will be giving up any and all claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record during this hearing, or that it was not your own choice to enter the plea? Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Is the prosecutor or defense counsel aware of any promises or threats or inducements other than the plea bargain to induce the defendant to plead guilty? Mr. Mawad?
None, Your Honor.
Mr. Sneed?
No, Your Honor.
Other than the agreement, Ms. Bryan, has your attorney promised you any other sentence or estimated what your sentence will be?
No.
Is it your own choice to plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, so Ms. Bryan, back on October 30th of 2025, were you in Rowland Township in the county of Lenawee?
Yes.
And at some point, did you come in contact with Deputy Brittany Jones with the Lenawee County Sheriff's Department?
Yes.
All right, and was it daytime or nighttime?
Daytime.
Okay, and was she in her uniform?
Yes, she was.
Okay, and you knew she was a sheriff's deputy?
And there it is. The judge formally accepts Monica Bryan's guilty plea to attempted resisting and obstructing. Count 1 dismissed, no upfront jail agreed. That's significant. But remember, sentencing is still ahead and probation will weigh heavily. Will honesty with probation help her or complicate matters further?
I knew she was a cop. Yes.
Okay, so Mr. Mawad, a little bit more factual basis if you'd like to ask her.
Monica, on that date and time in Rowland Township, the officer, Deputy Brittany Jones, who really nice officer, and it wasn't your best day, but came up to you and decided to arrest you, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, but in the facts show that what you did is you wouldn't let her arrest you. You were pushing past her, and therefore you were resisting, obstructing, or possibly assaulting the officer, correct?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Satisfied, Mr. Sneed?
I am. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so has the court complied with MCR 6.302 B, C, and D, Mr. Mawad
Yes, Your Honor.
and Mr. Sneed?
Yes, Your Honor.
I accept the plea. It has been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of her rights. She does have competent counsel. This court has made no agreement regarding the possibility of a plea or possible sentence in this case with the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the defendant, or anyone acting in the interest of either of them, other than the agreement that was stated in the plea agreement form. I'm going to refer this matter to the District Court Probation Department for a pre-sentence investigation. Mr. Mawada, are you available April 10 at 8:15?
Yes, Your Honor, that should be very good. Thank you.
All right, so Ms. Bryan, there is an agreement that there would be no upfront jail. So you will have to go meet with the probation department next week, but do you wish to appear for sentencing via Zoom or in person?
I would rather Zoom if that's okay.
That is fine. So I'll set that for a Zoom sentencing and, let's see, Zoom. Okay. So ma'am, not tomorrow, but next Thursday, which is going to, for some reason, already be March 5, I'm going to need you to go to the District Court Probation Department. So when you walk in the courthouse, you'll take a right and go all the way to the end of the hall, and on your right will be the District Court Probation Department. You're going to check in there and they'll interview you to prepare a report. Be truthful with them about your background, the events that occurred, and then they'll prepare a report. We'll get a copy to Mr. Mawad and he'll review that with you. And then we will see you back on April 10 at 8:15 via Zoom at the same Zoom number, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Bryan. Mr. Mawad, did you have anything further?
Yeah, I just want to tell Monica, when you meet with probation, Monica, be honest about any alcohol issues, that type of stuff. Probation's there to help you, Monica. And you got a very nice offer from the prosecutor's office. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Good to see you guys. Tom, we'll see you.
Good to see you as well. Thank you.
Bye, Isaac.
See you later.
Bye. Mr. Winter, I have a couple people in front of you, but I'll get to you as soon as I'm done with them, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Murphy. All right. I just admitted someone on an iPhone. I'm going to send you a request to unmute your device. And what is your name, please?
Caleb Daniels.
Say it again.
Caleb Daniels.
Hi, Caleb Daniels. All right. Caleb Daniels. All right. So let's see, who is your attorney? Is Mr. Amadeo? Yeah, so Mr. Amadeo is your attorney, but I have Mr. Winters. Are you appearing on Daniels today?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Amadeo is
Right.
in a couple of other courts, so if the court will permit, and if Mr. Daniels will, I will be substituted for.
Hold on. I got it. Hold on. So I got to call the case before I get too much further into it. So this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Caleb Robert Daniels, file number 25-22256FH. My office did receive notice that Mr. Winter will be appearing today, Mr. Daniels, on behalf of Mr. Amadeo. He had a couple other things that conflicted. And then I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. Mr. Winter's P number is 25339. This is a date and time set for a pretrial. So Mr. Winter, how would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Amadeo and Mr. Daniels, we would ask the court for a 2-week adjournment to enable us to submit a Cobb's agreement, a memo. My understanding that Mr. Daniels just got into rehab and he is proceeding in that process. And we would like 2 weeks to present you with a request under a Cobb's, please.
So what I will say is, because everybody's adjourning, I don't have 2 weeks from today available. My next available pretrial is April 8th at 8:15. But my court has a policy that if Mr. Daniels wishes to avail himself of a plea offer, then your office can call my office and we will set it any other day of the week to accommodate that sooner. Okay?
I appreciate your Honor. Yes, I'm sure that Mr. Amadeo is aware of that.
Yes, he is. And but I will say, Mr. Winter, we do stipend orders, so you'll have to prepare Mr. Amadeo's office a stipulation in order to adjourn the pretrial from today to April 8th at 8:15. Mr. Sneed, may they sign your name with permission?
No, Your Honor, I don't stipulate to adjourn. I'd like to get a trial date set in this matter.
Okay, they wanted 2 weeks, but Isaac, I have 16 in 2 weeks. I can set it 2 weeks, but
Well, we'll be at a year since the incident date, Your Honor, and there isn't any
Right.
plea agreement right now. There isn't any agreement to drug court, so the inpatient rehab really is inconsequential regarding this case. So
can I set it for 2 weeks instead of a jury trial right now?
I don't object to 2 weeks, Judge. It's fine.
All right, so I'll put it in for March 11. It'll be a long wait that morning, Mr. Daniels, but March 11 at 8:15. So you can change and do that step in order to March 11 at 8:15.
And that's for a pretrial, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll submit it. Mr. Sneed, do I have your permission to sign your name to that order?
Yes, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you,
All
Your Honor.
right. Yes, thank you. And you're also here on Baker, correct?
I didn't know that, but I can be. I'm not sure if Mr. Amadeo is going to appear on that or not.
Well, my email said Baker is what you were coming in on, so
Am I all set, Judge?
you're all set, Mr. Daniels.
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. Yep, I do have Mr. Amadeo on Baker.
Now this is where tension spikes. The defense asks for time, but the prosecutor pushes back, noting the case is nearing a year old. Rehab may matter personally, yet legally it changes little without agreement. You can feel momentum shifting toward trial pressure instead of negotiation leverage.
That's fine if he's required to appear, Your Honor. He did not ask me to do that, but I'll be glad to step in.
Okay, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus, oh wait, is this, yeah, he was appointed or retained on it. It's a violation pre-trial. So in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Willis Baker Jr., file number 22-20734FH, I have Mr. Winter appearing on behalf of Mr. Amadeo and Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. So I have notes. We adjourned this out. Let's see. We adjourned it out. It's a violation from 24. Let me find out what's going on here. Amadeo. All right, so it looks like there were potentially pending charges in Hillsdale County. So Mr. Baker, I don't want you to tell me about the incident or alleged incident. Have you been arraigned and charged in Hillsdale County, Mr. Baker?
I had court yesterday and I took like a plea.
Hold on. When's your next court date?
I don't think so. I have any more court in Hillsdale. I had one yesterday morning and they gave me like a plea where it dropped down the civil and I just paid like $200. So I didn't even go to court. I just talked to the prosecutor and paid him. It was yesterday at 1 o'clock in Hillsdale.
All right. So Mr. Winter, Mr. Amadeo had appropriately adjourned it out to monitor what was happening in Hillsdale County on the allegations. I know you're not prepared on this one today for Mr. Amadeo. I can just set this out a couple weeks.
That would be perfect, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. So Mr. Baker, Mr. Amadeo is stuck in another court. So I'm going to adjourn this out to March 18 at 8:30 in the morning. Because it's a violation of probation, Mr. Winter will prepare the notice of hearing. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Baker, March 18 at 8:30 in the morning. All right.
All right. Thank you. You have a nice day, Your Honor.
You as well. So Mr. Winter, I think that is all I had with you and Mr. Amadeo.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Yep. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. What is your name?
Jordan Kamarchak.
Okay. Mr. Fleming.
That one's
All right.
mine, Judge.
Yep. Hold on. Mr. Fleming. Mr. Fleming.
All right,
So
I'm here,
all you
Judge.
have, all you have left is Kramarczyk, right?
That's correct, Judge.
Okay, you want to come up to the podium? Yes, Your Honor. HRJ. All right. Okay, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jordan Alexander Kramarczyk, file number 25-22434FH. I have Sarah Brenner appearing on behalf of the Attorney General, and I have Christopher Fleming appearing on behalf of Mr. Kramarczyk. Mr. Fleming, I have an outstanding stipend order to adjourn to today. So,
Not filed, Judge?
huh?
Was that not filed, you said?
Yeah, so you owe me a stipend order from January 28th to today, please. And Ms. Brenner had already given you permission to sign it.
She certainly did it. I thought I got it to you. I apologize, but I will make
I
sure.
don't have it. It could be across the hall, but somebody highlighted I was supposed to tell you that. All right.
You know, I don't
So-
trust them anymore.
Oh, I better trust my staff. All right. So, Mr. Fleming, how would you like to proceed today?
Judge, in talking with Ms. Brenner, just need a little bit of time to explain the plea options to Mr. Kramarczyk. Just would request an adjournment to the nearest possible date that you have.
And Your Honor,
Right.
you have the defendant there in person today because we wanted to make sure that he made up his missed payments, which he did. So I wanted to make the court aware of that. He made the payment yesterday,
Take a bow.
catching up with missed payments. So
Good job. All right, my next available pretrial, Mr. Fleming, is April 8th. Now, obviously, if there's a resolution in this case in terms of a plea, I am more than happy to do it, not on a Wednesday, because Wednesdays are so busy. So I'm going to set this over to April 8th at 8:30 a.m. Now you owe me 2 stipend orders, and Ms. Brenner, can you sign that one with your permission?
yes, he can.
All right,
Thank you, Ms.
and
Brenner.
again, if there's a resolution, your attorney can schedule you in sooner. So you need to make an appointment. Go see Mr. Fleming, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, very good. And thank you for making those missed payments. Keep it up.
Thank you, everyone.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank
Your Honor.
you.
Thank you. All
Thank you,
right,
Jordan.
I
We'll
believe
talk
that's
soon.
all I have with you, Ms.
Yes,
Brenner.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Ms. Brenner.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day, you guys.
Thank you,
You
Mr. Malone.
too. Thank you, Mr. Malaro. What are you thanking him for? All right.
He's just my idol, Judge.
Okay. He's mine too. All right, so, Gonzalez is coming back at 11. Mr. Malaro, I have Mr. Claire back. Mr. Noe, I see you. I'll get to you in 1 second. Okay, so in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Frederick Lloyd Claire, file number 26-22562FH. Mr. Malaro represents Mr. Claire, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is arraignment. So, Mr. Malaro, do you waive the reading of the felony information?
Your Honor, at this time, we would acknowledge receipt of the information, waive its reading in open court, waive any defects of the time and place of service. Mr. Claire will stand mute to the sole count of the information and ask that a pretrial matter be set. Mr. Claire does have a new matter pending in district court. That is at this point, a felony, so probably a 30-day adjournment would be in order.
All right, so how about April 8th at 8:30 in the morning? If he gets waived up and you want it moved sooner to be with the other court date, you can do that, but my next available is April 8th at 8:30.
That would be fine, Judge.
All right, because it's arraignment, we do the notice of hearing. So, Mr. Claire, we will see you back on April 8th at 8:30 in the morning, if not sooner, okay?
Will I be able to be released today?
Mr. Claire, we discussed this. Your bond hearing is downstairs, not here.
I don't know how all this works. I am
Well,
so-
Mr. Malaro will guide you through it. All right, you're all set, Mr. Claire. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Will I be
Thank
able to
you.
speak to you?
You can go, Mr. Claire.
Can I speak to Mr. Malaro
Not
personally?
now. I've got other cases. You already had a chance. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.
As the session closes, Frederick Clare's arraignment ends with an April 8th pretrial set, while another pending felony looms in district court. Nothing resolved yet, just delays and strategy. These early procedural moves shape everything ahead. Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories and legal drama breakdowns.